opioids, that means synthetic narcotics, in order to treat pain and people can become addicted, it's better, instead of providing opiate and opioids, to provide cannabis, because the addiction to opioids is of course greater than the addiction to cannabis. But this is really interesting, that the mechanism by which cannabis treats pain is through the opioid receptors, but not directly, indirectly. Because if you, for example, take OxyContin, OxyContin goes straight to the opioid receptor and bind it. If you take, for example, cannabis, cannabis makes a detour that affects or binds to the CB1, and the CB1 receptor affects the opioid receptor. That means that cannabis is a modulator of the opioid receptor, meaning that the detox, if you become addicted, is easier. Of course, we don't need to be psychiatrists in order to know that it's easier to detoxify a cannabis addict if we compare to an heroin addict. So a cannabis addict is easier to treat and easier to detox than a heroin addict.
Theoretically, because we know that there are many cannabis addicts that it's very difficult to get out of it. And I want to say some words about the government point of view. Israeli government is against the legalization and against decriminalization. And there are about 20-25 parliament members that are going ahead. They have a program to make legalization. In the parliament there are 120 persons, so they are about 20%. So it's not going to be easy. We have a big war about it. Now the head of the parliament committee of not of drugs, of the war against drugs, that's its called. The head of the committee is the first one to legalize. So we will have a big war. We will have a big war about it. But the war is now harder because 25,000 people in Israel get cannabis. They have license to get cannabis because of medical issues. And I can tell you that for some of them it's doing very good. We have 7 criteria. But there are other people. For example, neuropathy or diabetic neuropathy. Neurologists in Israel are saying it helps people that nothing helps them. So we can't ignore the fact that it's a medical aspect. But we are against it. We have a lot of people who are cannabis addicts. You have to know it. And people that begin to use cannabis before 15 years old are in a bigger risk to be addict, and we see it. And it depends also about the quantity. Who is using every day, all the days, he have a big chance to be addict. Yes?
No, that means there is a difference between, of course, what I told you in the beginning. One thing is to talk about legalization, and the other thing is to talk about medical cannabis and the benefits of medical cannabis. I think that in Israel there is a consensus, this is my opinion,